Hello everyone, it's Patty. Happy Tuesday, and today I'll be sharing with you a very quick flip through of my latest project, which is a setup of this adorable traveler notebook from the Planner Society. This came in the November box, and it also came not only with the cover but with 3 inserts. So I just wanted to do a very quick setup. This is something that I will be carrying in my purse, something super cute and totally winter ready. The cover is a clear cover. It has these beautiful stars all over it. And I have attached this bow. This bow was actually attached to one of the bow charms that came with the box. I removed the rose gold star charm that was there just because I wanted to keep it more of a silver kind of metal theme to go with the winter theme. And although I love the rose gold, I just wanted to kind of match the stars. So let's look inside, and apologize for the reflection. But as I mentioned, the kit came with 3 inserts. Now, I did a little bit of surgery on the inserts in the sense that I kind of wanted to match this color scheme. I wanted to use the lavender, I wanted to use the silver, so the grays work better for me. So for the second insert and third insert, you'll see that I have changed the cover, so I kind of covered them, but I'll show you that later. This is my first insert, and there's glitter edges as always on the side. I thought the white ones will look adorable there. This is one of the little die cuts that came in the box, and I have trimmed it a little bit just to make it smaller so that I could use a little backing here, which is this glitter paper from Hobby Lobby, and then I have used this acetate that has stars on it just to bring in, you know, the stars from the cover. Then I have eyelets, which are little buttons that I got from Michaels, a bow from Hobby Lobby, and then I have this little sticker that came in a previous Planner Society box, as well as this sticker too. Christy always includes them. This month they were rose golden, so I went with this older one, and it just says hashtag remember this. Now I added this couple of little puffy stickers. These are the ones. So this month they came in rose gold again, but you'll see throughout I've used the silver one. And as you can tell, when you remove a word or something, you are left over with this teeny tiny round stickers. And so I just added them here to kind of add a little touch of silver throughout, and that's it. Then this is how the inside looked like. So this was notes, adorable. And then in the back here, I had 2 of the die cuts, and then another sticker that says Planner Society Girl. And these are, by the way, on a little 3D kind of raised little what is it called, like a sticky, like foamy kind of thing that I bought. I had it for a long time. I can't remember where I purchased it from. And then there's more bows from those puffy stickers, stars, etc. Then I used washi from an older box, which has a little bit of lavender here, and then this clear washi again from the Planner Society, an older washi. I just wanted to go with the silver and a little touch of lavender, and the bow stickers from Simply Gilded. Then here I have a vellum from an older box, because just has a little bit of green and a little bit of the stars. And then I added more of the puffy sticker stars on the corner. And here is the second insert. So this insert came with a different color paper. It was made with different paper, but I covered it up with the gray paper just to stick with a certain color scheme. And then I did the same thing with the cutting down the die cut. And by the way, if you are in need of printing your die cuts, or you would wish that the die cuts that came in the box came actually in a different size, you can always go to the Etsy shop that Christy has, and she has the printable version, so you can print these as many sizes you want and in any size you want. So I just used the one that came in the box. And then same thing with the backing of the glitter paper, and then the acetate with the little stars, and then the bow from Hobby Lobby, and the little star there, and glitter edgers. And this is a list, which is basically what I've been doing lately, because spend a lot of time at home, so I'm mostly at least making what I have to do throughout the day. Now for the back here, I wanted to add a little, washi little card that I made using some hard plastic I had left, and then this little glitter bow that I got from, I think I got it from Amazon, and then there's a little sticker from an older Planner Society box, and this is also a little sticker pocket from an older box with has stars over it, and then I added the little puffy sticker that says plan there, just a little something, because we're dealing with a little small planner, so everything has to kind of, you can't just really overwhelm it, so I try to keep it as simple as possible. And then here is the back of the vellum with also the puffy stickers, the back of the washi and dashboard, and then this is actually the acetate that came with the box, and I put my initial from Michael's, so it's rose gold back here. Does not bother me, it's okay. Also because there's some kind of like more mauve colors here, so it kind of matches. And this is also another insert of which I changed the cover, so I just covered it up with another lavender paper, just because I just wanted to keep it to that color scheme. And I love this die cut. Actually, it says snuggle up and watch it snow. It's super cute. So same thing, glitter paper, acetate, eyelets, and glitter edgers. And this is actually the insert. So these inserts are super adorable. They have a week. So these are, you can use your, the stickers that you get in the subscription. You can use any size Erin Condren stickers, and then they're not dated, so you can use them now, you can use them later. I just kind of randomly stuck things in. I wasn't even paying too much attention, but I just love that how it's like, it's very full. I used all the stickers that I had, and I have 4 full weeks of planning, and then you are left. So this, you can use this for a few more months actually, because there's tons of pages, and again, they're not dated, so you're not tied to any particular time frame. And then in the back here, I've used the 2 die cuts of the candles, best day ever. And then here's the acetate, and I put the other bow because I want to have kind of like a back view, front view, and back view of the little bow. I just put it over here, and this was the one that was, I think, a paper clip, and I removed the charm from that one too. So it's super adorable. So this is it, guys, and this was a very quick setup and a very quick flip through. But let me know if you have any question. Usually if you reach out to me at my Instagram account, Planning Fancy, I always answer all questions. But I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye bye.